Alright, just bought this, so let's do an unboxing. I'll show you a little bit about this flashlight. Also, this is the one I've been using for a while, and it works very well. I'm very happy with the brand, they're very good. So this one is a little bit better than the regular one, the Ark one. So this is the Ultra. The only bad thing about this, it doesn't come in different colors, so it's only one color. So ArkPro Ultra. And that's it. So let's take this out of the box. So as you can see, it comes like that. I'm going to zoom in so that way you can see it closely. So it's all aluminum, looks like. Yes, it says made of ODL or something like that. I don't know. So here, as you can see, it says UV light. Here you have the pure float. Then you have the spotlight. Here you have the dial that you can switch between one side or the other. And here we have the laser point. And here we have the USB-C. I like it because with the previous one, the only thing that the only option was charging it, through this port, and there was no USB-C. But this one, you have this and you have the USB-C. So a nice addition. So let's take this out, and as you can see, you have the dial, so you move it here, and then you have the UV light, the floodlight, and then the spotlight. So as you can see here, we have in the middle, I think it is the laser. Let me check. Yes, in the middle is the laser and the UV light. So on the bottom is the laser, on the top the UV light, and then we have the two lights. So I'm going to turn it, so I'm going to switch between one and the other. So that is the UV light, and then you have one and the other. I know you're not going to see it very well, but it works. It works very well. So as you can see, UV light, here a regular light, and then you have the spotlight. And the good thing is you can use the laser at the same time. So as you can see here, hopefully I can see it. Okay, you have the laser, and that's it. So it's very well done. You have push here, and then you can use, even with the UV light, turn it on and then push the laser, and then you can use the UV light with laser and everything. Also you have the gauge of the battery is here. With the other one, if you see, turn it on and then it's here on this area. And you can use one light at the time. You cannot use the laser or the floodlight at the same time. It's one or the other by switching this, and that's it. The same thing here, but here is better, well done. So push here, and then you have the laser. So as you can see, and it works very well. So the here it comes with the cable. So if you take this out of the box, so here it says cover the Ultra. The ArkPro Ultra combines a pure flood, spotlight, UV light, and green laser that works independently or together. Other 3 lights, resulting in a total of 7 lightning configurations. It redefines everyday carry, and not only by crafting 4 light sources into a flat body design, but by introducing an exquisite light style, through bold geometric contours. Beyond use, the ArkPro Ultra is set apart by the following standout features. So made of Olight exclusive OAL material. I have no idea what is that. Okay, it says aluminum alloy. Okay, with standards, heavy use. It's harder than almost like 2 times harder than regular aluminum, looks like. And the strength of the titanium, the tensile strength of titanium Ta2, and the following symbol briefly pulses when activated, changing color based on how long you have used the flashlight. As long as you progress through a total of 7 different colors, Arbit reflects on every moment. The ArkPro Ultra illuminated your journey. And Here you have the specifications if you want to read it. Like what 1,000, yes, 1,200 lumens, and regular seems like 150, 155, 350, 350 to 60 lumens looks like. And then you have what else? The UV light something. Okay, UV light, it says 450 milliwatts. And red light mode. I didn't see red light mode. I don't know, maybe you have to push it a few times. Okay, if you push it a few, okay, yes. It can blink. So if you push it, you know, a few times, okay. If you push it, you know, you can cycle between the high and the low one. Let's switch for the other one. Yeah. Okay. Cool. I mean, it works very well. I'll show you with the dollar bill, so the way you can see. For instance, here you have a dollar bill. We put the UV light, and you can see, you know, if it's fake or not, counterfeited. Okay, cool. Otherwise, with the regular light, you're not going to be able to see any of that. But with the UV light, it works very well. There you go. I don't know. It says a red light mode. I don't see any red light mode here. I don't know how to turn this on. I don't see. I mean, here you have the USB-C. Very convenient. Here you have the laser. I don't know, maybe you have to push some other combination. Here you have the weight, 100 grams, the length, the width, and that's it. So, and here you have the USB cable, so that way you can charge it the same thing. I have another cable like this, so I don't need it, but this is all it comes. So I'm going to start using it and see how it goes. But I like it. I like it a lot. This brand is well thought out. So hopefully you have enjoyed this video. If you have any question, please let me know section below. And if you want to keep learning, go to my playlist and you will see all my